I made a video a couple weeks ago starting up air conditioners in the basement. I want to start these up too. There's this 8000 BTU LG with the Wi-Fi control, 7500 BTU fetters, and a Sharp 8500 BTU up here with its case and front grille. Also got the 5450 BTU Kenmore WCI air conditioner. And right there we got the 5000 BTU Kenmore made by Whirlpool and the 6050 BTU General Electric air conditioner. I just got the Sharp plugged in. I'm going to start with this one. I don't know if the compressor is going to start. It's not too warm up here, but we'll see what happens, I guess. I don't remember the last time I started this thing up. I think October. I did clean this one last year and didn't really get used much, so still very clean. Alright, that'll do it for that one. Let's do the fetters next. I hope this one starts. Nope, no compressor yet. So I guess you're not going to get to hear the Rotor X, so turn that off and switch over to the LG now. And I'll do the LG. Compressor is not started yet. Maybe it'll start if I switch it to dehumidify. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, that's it for that one. Alright, now I'm going to try and start this one up. And now the pretty much mint condition Kenmore 5000 BTU. I actually have the original box for this one. Let's go to low. That's high. And lastly, we'll do the 6050 BTU GE. Let's turn it on. Finally got it to start.